morning. Today I am going to tell you the tire maintenance tips and how to check tires in regular basis. So let's go and see. So you should have the coin so that you can measure the button thickness. Okay, now you have to check the first this one button like this. Hold it like this, touch the bottom of the groove and then see, this is the thickness of the button, so it should be more than 3 millimeter. So that means your tire is okay. If it is less than 3 millimeter, you have to change it. Same way you have to check the other end. Last this one groove. So that you will get to know the thickness in first and last. So it looks similar in both the cases, both the grooves. So this tire is fine, and you can drive for another 20 to 30 kilometers. Secondly, you have to check for the cracks on the tire surface near to those buttons. If there is any cracks, it's time to change your tire. It's very risky to drive with the tire with the cracks. There is a possibility that it may blast when you overspeed your vehicle. So I would recommend replacement of tire if there is any cracks on your tire. So when it comes to maintenance, you have to do twice the tire rotation for each set of tires, in the sense 10k and 20k, something like that, so that it will maintain nice way till the lifespan ends. So there will not be any wear and tear, there will not be any problem when it comes to staying. So this will help you a lot for safe driving. Please comment below if you have any queries on related to auto or any technical stuff. So I will be available and I will reply as soon as I get the comment. So please hit thumbs up. I hope this video is informative for you. I would like you to subscribe my channel for support and for my upcoming videos, which will help you a lot when it comes to car mechanics, technical stuff, and lifestyle. So thank you. God bless us everyone. Take care. Goodbye.